Welcome back to making a UE tutorial every day for the rest of my life. Day 4, we're doing double jump. It's really simple. This one is the quickest tutorial I'll probably ever do in my life. So without further ado, let's get down to it. So if we head over to our third person character and find our jump section. So this is, if you're using this jump method, you'll be able to do the method I'm about to show you. But basically, if we hit our third person character on the top top left hand side, and on the top right hand side, we type in jump and we scroll down. There is a jump max count. Now, if you're doing this from scratch, it should be 1. I reset mine just so I could show it in action. But if we set it to do something like 4, 2 would be obviously your traditional double jump. But I'm just doing this to show you for argument's sake. So we've jumped 4 times and we can't jump any more until we've unassigned that is falling boolean. So it basically counts up all your jumps, and if you are falling, it will stop you then allowing you to do that. It's all built into the system. It's very simple. And you can set this to whatever you want. So for example, if I come over here and I set this to 10, I should be able to start jumping 10 times, and you can see me just keep going up until I run out of jumps, and then I fall back down. Hopefully you found this really useful. Nice, simple one today. And obviously, if you're new here, hit that sub button. And of course, everybody to help the channel out. It would mean the world to me. And if you have any ideas, put them in the comments. And I will see you tomorrow.